Hello everyone, welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 commands you should know how to run in command prompt. The command prompt, also known as CMD, is a text-based interface in Windows 11 that allows users to interact with the operating system by typing commands. It serves as a powerful tool for troubleshooting without relying on the graphical user interface. Let's get into it. Open up a command prompt, holding down the Windows and S key, which will open up the search, and then typing in command prompt. Now that you have your command prompt window open, let's go through the 10 commands. Starting with command number 1, who am I? So we type who am I into the command prompt, who am I, all together, no spaces, hit enter. This will display the username of the currently logged in user. This is helpful if you somehow forget which user you're logged in as. Moving on to command number 2, ipconfig command. So we type ipconfig, like this, hit enter. This will display IP address information. This is handy if you're troubleshooting network issues or if you just want to know your computer's IP address. Your IP address will be listed next to the IPv4 address. Now for command number 3, the ping command. This command tests your internet connection to a website or IP address. In this example, I'm going to be pinging google.com, so we just type ping and then google.com, hit enter. This will be able to check if you're connected to the internet, and it can also be used to check if a host or website is contactable. If you get the results, your internet connection's okay. Command number 4, we're going to use the dir command to list all the contents that are in the current directory. So as you can see here, I'm in the documents directory, and if I just type dir, all lowercase, and hit enter, it'll show you all the files and directories that are in that directory. Moving on to command number 5 is the cd command. This will change the directory that you're working in. So for example, we're currently in the IT directory. So if I want to switch to the documents directory, I'll just do cd followed by documents. You can type in the full path or you can hit tab and it will auto-populate for you. I hit enter and now you can see we've moved into the documents directory. Then we can use the command that we used previously to list what's in there again. So we do dir and it'll show you all the files that are in that directory. Command number 6 is the CLS command, and this will clear the screen in your command prompt. So if you've been using command prompt and you've been typing in loads of commands and your screen's just getting a bit too much, you can just type CLS and it'll clear everything on your screen so you can start fresh. Command number 7 is going to be the chkdsk command. So if we type in chkdsk and hit enter, okay, if you see this, it's saying that we have access denied, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another command prompt as administrator, right click, run as administrator, yep, and we're going to do that same command again, so chk for check, and then dsk for disk, hit enter, and just let that do its thing. And then once that's finished running, you'll be able to see that Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems, no further action is required. If you do find any issues after running that command, you just have to do some basic troubleshooting. Now for command number 8, tasklist. So if we just go into there, in our command prompt, and we just type in tasklist, enter, this will show you a list of all the services that are running on your system. You can also see this in Task Manager, but this is just a simpler way to view it. Command number 9 is the file compare command, or fc is the command that we're going to be typing. So if we do fc, and then we're going to compare two text files that are in the documents directory. So we're going to do, there's one text file, and the other one is this one. Hit enter. As you can see here, it's comparing the two files, and it'll show you what the differences are in those files. And last but not least, command number 10 is the make directory command. So we're going to create a new directory in the documents directory. So if we do mkdir, and then we're going to name it IT. Why not IT? And hit enter. So we've made a directory called IT. So if we use one of the commands that we did before and type dir, we can see here that there's a directory now called IT. And there we go. There's 10 basic commands that everybody should be able to use. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and let me know down below what your favourite command is. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.